This one is the structure of testis. In testis, you see the seminiferous tubules in here. Seminiferous tubules, inside many processes are going on there. Spermatogonia are present in the seminiferous tubules. Now you see, because in seminiferous tubules are two cells are present. First is there spermatogonia and Sertoli cell. Now today we discuss about the spermatogenesis. So come in this point there spermatogonia, because spermatogonia are present in the seminiferous tubules. These position are showing in the testis in here. This one is their systematic representation of spermatogenesis. In spermatogenesis, you see there spermatogonia present in seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are present in the testis. In spermatogonia, mitosis differentiation is going on there. In mitosis differentiation, they are divided into the primary oocyte spermatocytes. In primary spermatocytes, they also are diploid cells. It's have a 46 chromosomes. And primary spermatocytes have first meiotic division is also going on there. They can further divide into the secondary spermatocytes. In secondary spermatocytes have consisting of 23 chromosomes. It's that are haploid. And secondary spermatocytes have second meiotic division. They transfer into the spermatids. Spermatids are they are the haploid. They are differentiated into the spermatozoa. Spermatozoa, it's a haploid structure. Its content they are the 23 chromosomes. Now these processes are they are the spermatogenesis. In spermatogenesis, spermatogonia convert into the spermatozoa. That process is known as their spermatogenesis. In this process, you see at the puberty, because the process of formation of spermatozoa being at start in puberty time. So in this spermatogenesis, you see there the diagrammatic flowchart view of spermatogenesis. This one is there diagrammatic view of spermatogenesis process. In downside you see the spermatogonia, dark black color cells are there, that's called the spermatogonia. Spermatogonia have mitosis differentiation is going on. They are further divided into the primary spermatocytes. Blue color structure you see, this one is their primary spermatocytes. In primary spermatocytes, first meiotic division is going on there. They are divided into the secondary spermatocytes. I am showing in there, it's a green color structure, that's a secondary spermatocytes. Now and secondary spermatocytes, they are converted into the spermatids. In here you see there this structure is called the spermatids, and spermatids convert into the spermatozoa. So in here the spermatogonia, it means स्पर्मेटोगोनिया के थ्रू स्पर्मेटोजोआ में जो कन्वर्जन होता है, दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. एंड spermatids convert into the spermatozoa. This process is called the spermiogenesis. Okay, now what is the spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis? Two different things are there. Spermatogonia convert into the spermatozoa. That process is known as spermatogenesis. And spermatids is converted into the spermatozoa. That process is called the spermiogenesis. In this diagram you see the red color cells are there, Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells give the nourishment to the sperm. It means the sperm head becomes embedded in the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells में sperm का जो head होता है, that's embedded for their nourishment and finally released from the seminiferous tubules by the process of spermiation. Okay, now come in the summary points are there. Spermatogenesis, point to point for your notes. The process of formation of spermatozoa begins at puberty. प्यूबर्टी के टाइम से स्पर्मेटोजोआ का फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. द स्पर्मेटोगोनिया प्रेजेंट ऑन द इनर वॉल ऑफ सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स डिवाइड बाय द माइटोसिस टू इंक्रीज इन नंबर्स. Each spermatogonia is diploid and contain 46 chromosomes. Some of spermatogonia called primary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis. The primary spermatocytes undergoes the first meiotic division and produce two haploid secondary spermatocytes having 23 chromosomes each. The secondary spermatocytes undergoes the second meiotic division to produce the haploid spermatids, and the spermatids are transferred into the spermatozoa by the process called the spermiogenesis. Now two comparative processes are there, spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. In spermatogenesis, you see first point, it is the process of formation of spermatozoa from male germ cells. It means spermatozoa spermatogonia से formed होगा. Now spermiogenesis is the first process. It is the process of transformation spermatids into spermatozoa. Now second process of spermatogenesis, it involves formation of spermatids and their transformation into spermatozoa. In spermiogenesis, second point is there. It is one of the event of spermatogenesis. Spermiogenesis is the one event of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis की एक event होता है spermiogenesis. Now third point you see there, it consists of multiplication, growth, maturation and differentiation phase. In spermiogenesis, third point is there, it consists of only differentiation phase. Now fourth point you see there, the spermatogonia produce 4 spermatozoa and one spermatid produce only one spermatozoa. Now next topic name is there, hormonal control of spermiogenesis. Now you can understand by the flow chart. In see, this one is there, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is a part of brain because it is situated in the forebrain. This one is there, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus releasing gonadotrophin releasing hormones. They secrete gonadotrophic GnRH. They act on anterior pituitary. So anterior pituitary stimulate the secretion of two hormones. That one is there LH and next one is there FSH. LH is there luteinizing hormone and FSH is there follicle stimulating hormone. Both are the gonadotrophic hormones. They secrete by the anterior pituitary. Now LH act on Leydig cells and FSH act on Sartori cells. LH act on Leydig cells. They synthesize the androgen for the process spermatogenesis. They stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. And FSH act on Sartori cells. They synthesize the some factors and stimulate the process of spermiogenesis. Now spermatogenesis, it means spermatogonia convert into the spermatozoa. That's process of spermatogenesis. It can be stimulated by the androgen hormones. They secrete from the luteinizing hormone. Now stimulate this process of spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is the spermatids into spermatozoa. That process is spermiogenesis. They controlled by the FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. So this one is there, the flow chart of hormonal control of spermatogenesis. Now next topic name is structure of spermatozoa. See first point. Human spermatozoa is a microscopic structure and consists of 4 parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail. See diagram. Blue color I'm given the margin of 4 parts. First one is their head, second is neck, third is middle piece and last one is the tail. This one is their microscopic structure of sperm. So they will be consist of the 4 parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail. Now second point are there, the whole body of spermatozoa is enveloped by the plasma membrane. स्पर्मेटोजोआ की जो पूरी बॉडी है वो एनवेलप्ड है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से. इन देयर यू सी द डायग्राम, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, they are embedded the whole body of sperm. Now third point, the head contains an elongated compact haploid nucleus. See there in diagram, this one is part is the head. हेड वाले पार्ट पे आपको न्यूक्लियस कंटेनिंग क्रोमोसोम मटेरियल्स आर सीन. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज देयर, एट द एंटीरियर एंड ऑफ द हेड लाइज अ कैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड द एक्रोसोम. इन एंटीरियर साइड यू सी द हेड. हेड के आगे एक कैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर यू सी इन देयर इन द पिक्चर. दिस वन इज द एक्रोसोम्स. एक्रोसोम इज द कैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर which contain enzymes that help in dissolving membrane of the ovum during fertilization. एक्रोसोम जो होता है वो एंजाइम्स कंटेन किए रहते हैं जो डिज़ोल्व होती है उसकी वो मेम्ब्रेन जब ओवम से स्पर्म फर्टिलाइज होता है. इन दिस टाइम दे आर fertilized and they releasing the enzymes. Next point you see, the neck contains proximal centriole towards the nucleus, which is necessary for the first cleavage division of zygote, and distal centriole that is connected to the tail filament. In neck portion you see the proximal centriole. Proximal centriole used on that time is the first cleavage of zygote. They are responsible for the on this time of fertilization after forming the zygote, and distal centriole they are connected to the tail in their side. Middle piece contain a number of mitochondria that provides energy for the motility of sperm. The tail consists of an axial filament surrounded by plasma membrane. It provides the motility to the sperm. Now see the middle piece. Middle piece consists of mitochondria for providing the energy of the sperms. Now next is their tail. Tail for help in the movement of sperm. Sperms for normal fertility. Normal fertility होती क्या है? During the coitus in human male ejaculated about 200 से 300 million sperms. अगर coitus के टाइम में ह्यूमन मेल से 200 से 300 मिलियन स्पर्म्स एजाकुलेट होते हैं, इट्स अ नॉर्मल फर्टिलिटी. आउट ऑफ दिस अबाउट 60% sperm must have normal shape and size and at least 40% of them must show vigorous motility. अगर 60% sperms are normal in shape and size, they can be a normal fertility, and 40% are there show vigorous motility rate. Thanks for watching to me.